This is today's venue. Bit of a change from last game, but it'll do. Not too bad. Hopefully 3 points. Hopefully 3 points in the game after. 6 points to play for. We'll see how it goes.
Double header, a bit of a different thing today. We haven't had one yet. It might be a bit of a pain, but we have to get them done, and we've got quite a few before our league season ends.
Front three, please be a lot closer than you was on Friday as well.
Shit, we've got a helicopter coming in.
I'll do it to the helicopter.
In a minute.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
It's alright, it's on the other pitch.
What, that it'll go on the other pitch?
He said he could try and get it on that pitch, but helicopter goes wherever the helicopter
Yeah.
goes.
Straight in, LJ, come on! Yes, go, boys! Yes! More! Back! Stand up! Stay it, Darren! Time! Working, Larry, working!
Josh made a ball!
Working!
Oh, mate. Switch on!
Oh my god. LJ again, goal line clearance again.
What a save!
What a save. We got to wake up, mate.
What a goal! Oh! Byron!
Nothing wrong with that, LJ.
Get in there!
What a ball, man. Oh, someone.
They're outworking us at times, they're outplaying us at times. How? You can't tell me that that group of players over there are fitter than you, better than you, and stronger than you. Not a chance. Turning up to games week in, week out, thinking that we're going to fucking blow them over. It's not going to happen. We will be the reason we do not win this league or go up. Because it's getting worse and worse every week. Getting too big for our heads. I know it's ironic because I've got a massive head. That's not the point. We've got to be fucking better. We said before the game, take shots. We didn't take shots until the 20th minute.
Half an hour in this game to get a goal here. It really annoys me when the group of players we have such a talented group of players, but we're going to go nowhere if we don't work as a team. Everything we say before the game, after the games, we say it every week. We've been saying in the chat all week leading up to these 2 games that it's down to us, and everyone says it, but on that pitch it don't look like one of you. Not one of you. We've had a couple of chances, but like we say, this is down to us. We're going to go nowhere if we don't work as a team.
Come on!
Come on! Work hard now! Come on!
Ryan, well done!
I'm Max. I'm about to get the car 98 out.
So the game has been paused because a helicopter has landed on the field, so we'll be back shortly.
Coming in!
Boys, come on! Come in!
That's in!
Come on! Yes! Wait, Sean!
That last 20 was so much better than what I expect from you. Moving the ball quickly, side to side. As soon as we score, we dictate the game and we control the game. That's what we should be doing from the off. Now, from the off of this second game, that's what we do for the whole 60 minutes because they are tired, and that's where the goal comes from because they didn't press Bondi. Keep the ball all 60 minutes, and we get 3 or 4.
In goal, in who?
Oh my god.
Oh!
Oh my god!
Yeah!
Come on! Get it!
What do you want? Anything?